Morning. This is Rizwana Siddiqui, your English teacher, and children, today we are going to read the first chapter of your book, Footprints Without Feet. The first chapter of this book is A Trump of Surgery. So today I am going to explain a chapter line-wise in English and then in Hindi so that you will be able to understand more better. As I always recommended or as I always advise, that while watching my video, you have to take out your pencil, then you have to hold your pencil and note down whatever the difficult meaning of the difficult words and also the key points. So let's start with the chapter. Let's move to the chapter, A Trump of Surgery. So what is the meaning of the trump here? Basically, trump means a victory. Trump means a victory, winning over something. And what is the meaning of the surgery? Surgery is basically used as the meaning of operation. But in this story, the surgery is used as a hospital or a private clinic. So what we are going to read, that a victory over the hospital or a surgery. We are going to reveal what is behind this title, the chapter. First, I will introduce the character of this story. There are the three main characters in the story. The first is Harriet, the narrator. Narrator means the one who narrates the story. So first is Harriet, the narrator, who is a doctor, a veterinary doctor, a vet doctor. Second is Mrs. Pomfrey, the owner of the dog, a rich lady. And the third is Tricky, a dog. The whole story is revolved around this dog only. So let's start with the story. First I read the line-wise and then I will explain the chapter. I was really worried about Tricky this time. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress, and I was shocked at his appearance. So who is I here? I is the narrator of the story. So what exactly happened in this line? That the narrator is driving his car when he saw a Tricky. Who is Tricky? Tricky is a pet dog, owner of a rich lady. When he saw the Tricky is going along with his mistress. What is mistress, beta? Mistress is the rich lady or the owner of the dog. So what is this? That the narrator is driving his car while going from his car. He saw a Tricky, and he was shocked. He was shocked to see the appearance of the Tricky. He had become hugely fat, like a blotted sausage, with a leg at each corner. His eyes, bloodshot and rheumatic, stayed straight ahead, and his tongue lolled from his jaws. So why he was shocked to see the appearance of the dog? Because the dog has become hugely fat and he looked like a blotted sausage. And what else he described about the dog? That his eyes are turning into red. And rheumatic means watering. Rheumatic. Rheumatic means watering. Rheumatic means watering. When that means the water are coming from its eyes. Straight ahead, and his tongue lolled from his jaws. He was going straight ahead, and his tongue is hanging out from the jaws. So what is the total explanation of this chapter? That the narrator was going with his car when he saw the Tricky. The Tricky is a dog along with his mistress. And he was shocked to see the appearance of the Tricky. Why he was shocked to see the appearance? Because Tricky become hugely fat, his eyes turns in blood red and rheumatic also, and his tongue is out from his jaw. So क्या है स्टोरी बेटा ये कि एक नरेटर है जो नरेट कर रहा है स्टोरी को, जो बता रहा है ये वो एक वेटनरी डॉक्टर भी है, और वो कहता है कि वो अपनी बाय द टाइम वो अपनी कार से जा रहा है, तभी वो क्या देखता है कि मिसिस फ्रॉमरी जो कि ओनर है ट्रिकी की, वो ट्रिकी को लेके जा रही है। और नरेटर को ये देखकर बहुत ही आश्चर्य होता है, वो शॉक टू सी कि जो ट्रिकी है वो बहुत ही मोटा हो गया, बहुत ज्यादा मोटा हो गया है और उसकी आंखें जो है वो कम्प्लीटली रेड हो गई है, उसमें से पानी गिर रहा है। और साथ ही जैसे कि होता है ना कि जब आप बहुत ज्यादा फैट होते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा चलने में आपको प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो बेसिकली डॉग्स क्या करते हैं, अपनी टंग को अपने जबड़े के बाहर, माउथ के बाहर करके हैंगिंग पोजीशन में कर देते हैं। Mrs. Crumley hesitated to explain. He was so listless. Listless means without any interest. Listless means without any distress. So Mrs. Crumley hesitated to explain. He was so listless. So what he explained to the doctor that he is not showing any interest of anything. And then he said, Mr. Harriet, it seems to have no energy. And why? And she said that it seems, I feel that like a dog is not having any energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. What is malnutrition? Malnutrition means lack of proper food, lack of proper nutrition. So malnutrition means a lack of proper nutrition. So what is the Mrs. Crumley says? She says that the dog has become so listless. He's showing no interest in anything, and he also seems very weak and having no energy. And she thought it is all because he is suffering from malnutrition. It is all because he is not getting a proper nutrition. So I have been giving him some little extra between meals to build him up. Some malt and cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Nothing much really. So what she is doing? She starts giving something extra meal in between of the meals. So what she is giving in the meal? Some malt, cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks. So these are the things, extra things she start giving to the dog in order to make him energyful. So she was thinking that the dog is not having energy, the dog is not getting the proper malnutrition. That is why she start extra feeding him. तो मिसेस क्रमरी क्या एक्सप्लेन करती हैं कि उसकी आंखें जो हैं वो बिल्कुल जो वो है डॉग जो है वो बिल्कुल लिस्टलेस हो गया है, मतलब किसी भी चीज में वो अपनी कोई एनर्जी नहीं दिखा रहा है, साथ ही वो बहुत ही वीक दिख रहा है, उसका किसी भी चीज में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है और वो सोचते हैं कि ऐसा इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि उसको प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन नहीं मिल रहा, प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिएंट फूड नहीं मिल रहा है। तो व्हाट शी स्टार्ट डूइंग, उन्होंने क्या शुरू कर दिया, उन्होंने उसको अलग से बहुत सारा मील और खाना देना शुरू कर दिया अपार्ट फ्रॉम द रेगुलर मील। जो भी रेगुलर मील देते थे उसके अलावा भी उन्होंने उसको बहुत सारा खाना इन बिटवीन ऑफ द मील देना शुरू कर दिया। और क्या खाना दे रही थी वो उसको? कॉड लिवर ऑयल दे रही थी, हॉर्लिक्स दे रही थी, रात में बाउल ऑफ हॉर्लिक्स दे रही थी ताकि वो अच्छी सी नींद सो सके। एंड डिड यू कट डाउन ऑन द स्वीटनिंग एज आई टोल्ड यू? एंड द डॉक्टर reminded her that has she cut down giving some sweet. डॉक्टर ने उन्हें क्या रिमाइंड करा है कि क्या उन्होंने उसको जो मीठा डॉक्टर ने मना किया था देने को, कि उसने देने को उसको मना किया। Oh, I did for a bit, but he seems to be so weak. I had to relieve him. And he loves his dog. He loved our dog so much that he could not refuse to stop giving him a sweet or a thing. So she said, yes, I tried a little bit, but it seems to be very difficult for her that she stopped giving her loving or her favorite food to him. He does love ice cream, cakes and chocolate, so I cannot bear to refuse him. What she explained that her dog loves so much of chocolate, cakes and ice cream, so she cannot be able to refuse to give him. So she start giving the things. तो क्या किया उन्होंने? डॉक्टर ने उनसे पूछा कि क्या आपने उनको वो स्वीट्स देना बंद किया है जो मैंने आपको मना किया था? तो वो कहती है कि हाँ, आई ट्राइड, मैंने थोड़ा सा कोशिश की, लेकिन फिर मुझे ऐसा लगने लगा कि वो बहुत वीक है, बिकॉज वो उसको बहुत पैम्पर करती थी, बहुत लव करती थी, तो उनको हमेशा लगता था कि उनका डॉग जो है बहुत वीक है। और फिर अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट शी सेड कि डॉग को बहुत ज़्यादा चॉकलेट केक और क्रीम्स बिस्किट्स पसंद थे, तो वो उसको रिफ्यूज नहीं कर सकती थी लेने के लिए. I looked him again at the little dog. That was the trouble. I gave a second look to the dog, and maybe I will be able to understand what was the trouble. Tricky only fault was greed. What was the fault of the Tricky? That he was very greedy about the food. Whatever the food he has given to him, he never refused itself. He had never been known to refuse food. He would crackle a meal at any hour of the day or night. So whatever the crackle means, handling very properly or finish it up. So whatever the food at any hour of the day, at any time given to the dog, he would finish it up. And I wondered about all the things Mrs. Pumphrey had not mentioned. And that is what I had wondering, what all the things Mrs. Pumphrey has given to his dog, that is cod liver oil, sweets, cakes, ice cream and what not. तो मैं पूछता हूँ उनसे, मैं फिर से एक बार डॉग की तरफ देखता हूँ और शायद मुझे कहीं समझ में आ जाता है कि बेसिकली प्रॉब्लम क्या है. ट्रिकी की प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ ये है कि वो बहुत Are you giving him plenty of exercise? Then the narrator asks the other question, that is she giving him a plenty of exercise? Well, he has little walks with me, as you can see, but Hodkin the gardener has been down with lumbago, so there has no ring trolley lately. So what does the narrator ask? That he asked him that have you given him a lot of exercise? She said, yes, I am giving him an exercise. As you can say, he is taking a walk along with me. But Hodkin the gardener, Hodkin the name of the gardener, has been down with lumbago. Lumbago is a rheumatic pain somewhere in back or joint. So what is lumbago? Rheumatic pain somewhere in back or in joint. So what did the Mrs. Pumphrey said? That yes, he has given him exercise. Like as she is walking, the dog is walking along with him. A very few exercise she has given, and apart from that, she said that the gardener is suffering from some lumbago. So all the exercise is not going to be happening very well. Just a simple walk is given to the dog. तो वो क्या पूछते हैं, फिर से नरेटर पूछता है, डॉक्टर पूछता है कि क्या आप डॉग को बहुत सारी एक्सरसाइज करा रहे हो? बिकॉज वाई ही इज आस्किंग सच क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज शी इज गिविंग अ लॉट ऑफ फूड टू द डॉग. तो क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा खाना वो डॉग को दे रही थी, इस वजह से वो पूछता है कि क्या आप डॉग को कोई अच्छे से मेहनत करी एक्सरसाइज करा रहे हो? वो कहती है हाँ, उतनी एक्सरसाइज करा रहे हैं कि जैसे मैं वॉक करती हूँ वो भी मेरे साथ वॉक करता है. और फिर वो कहते हैं कि क्योंकि जो हॉडकिन गार्डनर है उसको कोई लंबागो करके एक रिमेटिक बीमारी हो गई, उसको ज्वाइंट्स वगैरह में पेन रहता है, तो जो रिंग फेंकने की या इस तरह की जो एक्सरसाइजेस होती हैं वो ट्रिकी नहीं कर रहा है. I tried to sound severe. Now I really mean this. Severe means harsh. So now he said, I tried to sound very harsh, very severely. Okay, I really mean this. If we don't cut his food right down and give him more exercise, he is going to be really ill. So what is the doctor said this time very harshly, very severely, that if the Mrs. Pumphrey is not going to cut down the food of the dog, and not giving him a plenty of exercise, not giving him a more exercise, then definitely the dog is going to be ill. Dog is going to be ill. तो वो कहती है कि अगर वो कहता है, इस टाइम उनको लगता है कि वो बहुत ही मतलब स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, बहुत हार्शली कहते हैं कि अगर अब आपने अपने डॉग को इतना ही ज्यादा खाना दिया, उसे कम खाना नहीं दिया और उसको साथ बहुत सारी एक्सरसाइज नहीं करी, तो डेफिनेटली क्या होने जा रहा है, डॉग बहुत तेजी से बीमार होने जा रहा है. यू मस्ट हार्डन योर हार्डन मीन्स होता है लाइक इमोशंस जो होते हैं आपके. You must harden your heart and keep him on a very strict diet. So what does he said that you have to keep your emotion somewhere else and just be strict to your dog. Stop giving him extra food and put him into a hard exercise. तो कहते हैं कि अब आपको अपनी सारी जो why she is not able to to do all the things because she loves her dog so much. She pampered her dog so much. That is why she could not be able to be very strict with the dog. तो वो क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा वो अपने डॉग को एडमायर करती थी, लव करती थी, प्यार करती थी, तो इस वजह से वो उसको ये सारी चीजें इस तरह की डाइट कंट्रोल और हार्श एक्सरसाइज पर नहीं रख पा रही थी. मिसेस क्रॉम्वेल wrungs her hand. Wrungs means twisted. Twisted or rubbing. So what is the wrungs means? Wrungs means twisted or rubbing. Whenever you are nervous or somewhere, you start rubbing your hand or you just twisting your hand. So this is the same thing Mr. Cromwell is doing. Oh, I will, Mrs. Harriet. I am sure you are right. She agreed with the Harriet. She agreed with the doctor. Then the doctor was completely right. But it is so difficult, so very difficult. But she found it is very difficult to keep all the things. She set off head down along the road as if determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. Regime means routine. So regime means routine. So she was although she was very. She is very correct. She set off head down along the road as if determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. As I told you that the regime means a routine. So she was ready to take. She was very upset because she found that her dog is going to be ill. वो बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान है कि शायद उनका डॉग जो है वो अब बीमार होने जा रहा है. But she is determined that now she is going to make a new routine of his dog. तो वो कहती वो अब इसके साथ साथ वो ये भी कर रही है कि ठीक है वो बहुत डिटरमाइंड है, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है कि वो अपने डॉग के लिए एक नया रूटीन जो है वो सेट करेंगी. I watched their progress with growing concern. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. So the narrator said that he is watching. He is very concerned about the dog progress because he loves dog. He is a very good doctor, so he is very much about the concern about the animal. Tricky was tottering. Tottering means walking. Tottering means walking, and tweed means a kind of cloth, a woolen cloth. So what is the meaning of the tottering? Tottering is walking, and tweed is nothing, is just simply a kind of a woolen cloth. So Tricky was twittering along in his little tweed coat. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats for the cold weather and a raincoat for the wet coat. So Tricky is just walking and wearing a coat. And look at the Tricky is having a wardrobe. He is having all type of coats which were in a different seasons, like in winter, like in summers and all. He struggled on dropping in his harness. I thought it would be long before I heard from Mrs. Cromwell, and I found that he is struggling of walking. And I am expecting, as the narrator is predicted, that he is going to get a call from a Mrs. Cromwell. So what is the explanation of this para in Hindi? कि वो डॉक्टर कहता है कि वो उसकी जो डॉग है उसकी प्रोग्रेस को बहुत ही कंसर्नली, बहुत ही ध्यान से वॉच कर रहा था. एंड उसको लगा कि जो ट्रिकी है उसको चलने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, लाइक बिकॉज बहुत फैटी हो गया है, बहुत ज्यादा फैट होने की वजह से ही कुड नॉट वॉक प्रॉपरली. एंड व्हाट ही इज वेयरिंग अ कोट विच इज मेड ऑफ विथ क्लोथ. एक क्लोथ से बना हुआ मेड है. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट उसके पास पूरा एक वार्डरोब है. ही इज हैविंग अ कपबोर्ड इन विच ऑल टाइप ऑफ कोट्स आर देयर. एंड जिसमें वो जाड़े में जो पहनते हैं या समर से पहनते हैं, विंटर से पहनते हैं, सारे सीजन्स को पहनने के लिए उसके पास अलग अलग वेराइटी ऑफ कोट है. सो वी विल फाउंड दैट हाउ रिच वाज मिसेस क्रॉम्वेल, दैट ही हैज making a complete wardrobe or making a whole wardrobe of his dog. ही स्ट्रगल ऑन ड्रॉपिंग हिज हार्नेस मीन्स मतलब वो उसको चलने में बहुत ही ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, और तब उन डॉक्टर को रियलाइज होता है कि वो उसको बहुत ही जल्दी कॉल आने वाला है किसके पास से, मिसिस प्रॉम्प्रे के पास से। The expected call come within a few days, as the doctor predicted, as the doctor expected. The call come within a few days. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. Distraught means extremely worried. What is the meaning of distraught? So, Mrs. Pumphrey was extremely worried. She called the doctor and said that the Tricky would refuse to eat anything, even his favorite dishes. And beside this, he's had a bounce means of that fit. Bounce means fits and vomiting, you know all. Taking out the entire thing. So what did the Mrs. Pumphrey said? That his dog has refused to eat anything, even his favorite dishes also, or not only he refused the dishes, he started vomiting. He spent all his time lying on a rug panting. Panting means deep breathing. What is the meaning of panting? Panting means deep breathing. When you are in, or not suppose when you are in, then at time what happened? So whenever you are ill, you always feel that you need extra effort to take breath. So the same thing with the Tricky also. So what did the Mrs. Pumphrey said? That his dog is very ill. He refused to eat anything, even his favorite dishes. He is not doing anything. He just simply lie all the day on his rug and taking a deep breath. Did not want to go for walks. Did not want to do anything. So he completely refused to do anything. तो जैसे कि राइटर ने प्रिडिक्ट किया था, जैसे कि नरेटर ने प्रिडिक्ट किया था कि उसको बहुत ही जल्दी मिसेस पॉम्फ्रे की तरफ से कॉल आने वाला है, तो कुछ ही दिनों में वो कॉल आ गया और उन्होंने वो बहुत ही ज्यादा परेशान थे और उन्होंने क्या बताया कि जो उनका डॉग ट्रिकी है उसने कुछ भी खाने से मना कर दिया है, इवन हिज फेवरेट फूड को भी उसने रिफ्यूज कर दिया है। साथ ही वो पूरे टाइम उसको बहुत सारे उसको बार बार वॉमिटिंग हो रही है, वो पूरे टाइम एकदम एनर्जी लेस होकर के अपने रग यानी कि जो उसका बेड होगा वहां पर लेटा रहता है और उसको ब्रीथ करने में भी बहुत एफर्ट